Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your video into a green screen video on CapCut PC. Super simple. You're just going to select any video. It only works with like people, but you can select the customized cutout, but this is a pro feature. It's not pro in the phone app, however, I don't know why, but just like auto cutout to remove the background of the video like so. Place it on the second track, go to library, and I'm just going to select this one, and I'm just going to scale it up so it's just the green bit here. And that's it. You can just right click, create compound clip, and you have this green screen video, and you can export it so people can use it as like a green screen video. If you're just editing, just select auto cutout. You don't have to add in the green screen background. But this is for if you want to upload it and if you want people to use it later on. So yeah, that is it. It is that simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!